Hey guys, welcome to yet another AI tutorial. And in the latest AI happenings around the world, the most famous news around right now is the redeployment of the Claude Fable 5. So, yeah, it is the same exact model which was discontinued just hours after its launch, and Anthropic has officially announced that it's going to redeploy the model. So the Claude Fable 5 has officially returned to the global services, and Anthropic has also began the redeploying the model globally after the US Department of Commerce lifted the emergency export controls that had kept the system offline for 18 days. So as you can see, this announcement on June 30th, 2026, which says redeploying Fable 5. So on Friday, June 12th, the US government applied export controls to the Fable 5 and the Claude Mythos 5. So this required the Anthropic to restrict access to foreign nationals, whether inside or outside the United States, because the order took effect immediately and Claude or the Anthropic had no reliable way to verify nationality in real time. They suspended access to both models for all users. So the to secure these government clearances for the redeployment, Anthropic has also implemented an aggressive new security layer for which you can read the same about here, but let me summarize it for you anyways. So the security layer says that there have been an updated classifiers. So the model features entirely new safety classifiers engineered to block the specific exploitations and cybersecurity jailbreaks, which were reported by Amazon researchers. Anthropic states these filters successfully catch the high risk prompting methods in 99% of test cases. The Opus 4.8 fallback system is also implemented, so instead of showing a standard error or blunt refusal message when a security threshold is met, the system silently routes the prompt to the older Claude Opus 4.8 model to complete the task safely. Apart from that, a false positive validation have also been added as because these new filters are highly sensitive, Anthropic explicitly warned that some harmless everyday coding and debugging workflows will trigger false alarms and automatically drop back to Opus 4.8 in the short term. So as you can see about the timeline and safeguard updates from here, it says that we released the Fable 5 and Mythos 5 on Tuesday, June 9. They both share the same underlying model, but Fable 5 was released with strong safeguards to make it safer for general use. Mythos 5, which has fewer safeguards, was only released to a small number of trusted Project Glasswing partner for use in defensive cyber security. So the export control directive on June 12th came after the same as we discussed right now. So you can basically read the same about all of this. And also you need to make sure that you need to be a subscriber on a Pro Max team or select any enterprise plan if you wish to use Fable 5 usage, which is included for up to 50% of your weekly limits through July 7th, 2026. Also, after July 7th, 2026, the model will transition entirely to a usage credits billing system due to its heavy processing requirements, which could be around $10 per million input tokens or $50 per million output tokens. So if we talk about the Mythos 5, so unlike the Fable 5, the raw classifier free Mythos 5 module is not returning to the general public. Instead, it will be strictly restricted by the US government, accessible only to a select list of cleared US critical infrastructure organizations. So if you are planning to reactivate your pipelines on the model, you can do the same by typing in the same. But currently, if I show you the status of all of these, you can also check out these graphs right here, which explicitly shows the particular case in very beautiful words, and it can definitely be a really good case study for you guys as well. So if I currently go to the Claude.ai right now in the chat window, you can see that the model is right now not available at as the redeployment is in progress. So for me, right as of now, the Fable 5 is unavailable. And if I even navigate to the Claude Code CLI, for that I'm gonna first launch my Windows PowerShell as an administrator. And once that is done, I'm going to simply type in Claude to launch the Claude Code CLI. And then I will type a forward slash and model and hit the enter button. And even here you can see that Fable is currently disabled and it is currently unavailable to me. But as soon as it becomes available in my region or to my system, I will let you know in a new separate video. So that was all about this news of the Fable 5 and the Mythos 5 returning. So yes, we are expecting Claude Fable 5 to officially return to the global service and to our own systems as soon as possible. And yes, we are definitely excited for the same to try them out as well. And we will obviously be rolling out more tutorials on the same. So that was it for this particular video. If you have any particular questions related to the same, do let us know in the comment section and tell us what do you think about the same. Do share this with your friends and your AI audience. And thanks for watching and have a nice day.